Yo guys, in today's video I'll be making Dorawings 1:48 scale TP-63E Kingcobra. As you can see, this kit also includes photo etch and masks. The photo etch parts were glued with super glue since regular cement doesn't work on them. I added the included exterior door mask and also added my own mask before painting the cockpit green. So the major problem with this kit is that almost none of the parts actually fit. Like, come on, look at this. This really annoyed me because I thought that this was gonna be a pretty good quality kit. I have also heard good things from Dorawings, so this is why it kinda surprised me. At first I was really excited to start using the masks, however when I applied them I realized that they were too small, so a lot of these masks really didn't fit the part and it was really annoying. I first sprayed Vallejo black primer over the aircraft before the aluminium paint. A layer of gloss varnish was applied over the aircraft to protect the decals and to enable me to add chipping to the black paint.
This is not right. This is not cool. This is fucking bullshit.
The weathering consisted of Tamiya pan liner and oil paint to add the exhaust stains. After adding the doors and the aerial wire, I considered it finished. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.